This is how to dollar cost average when the entire crypto market is crashing. Hello everybody, my name is Sanad and welcome to another episode of The Clever Millionaire. In today's video, I will show you exactly how I plan on dollar cost averaging into the crashing crypto market. I would explain my entire strategy. But before we get started, I would appreciate it if you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, check out the links in the description box below for some free crypto, and check out that BlockFi credit card if you want to earn free crypto on every single purchase. Right now, in my opinion, is the best time to use this credit card simply because you are going to earn more Bitcoin. And now let's jump straight into the video. So over the last couple of weeks, the entire crypto market has been crashing. A lot of coins are down 30, 40, some even 50%. Also, a lot of influencers have been telling you, buy the dip, dollar cost average. When there's blood in the streets, that's when you should be buying. When everyone's selling, buy more. But a lot of these phrases actually are good advice, especially if you implement them correctly. One of my favorite ones is to dollar cost average. And in my opinion, right now is the best time to start dollar cost averaging into crypto. When the entire market is crashing, I am personally buying. And this is my strategy on how I plan on dollar cost averaging into the crashing crypto market. Obviously, guys, this strategy is not going to work for every single person. We all have different financial situations, but overall, in my opinion, it is definitely a great long-term strategy. So what is dollar cost averaging? It is a simple strategy where you take a dedicated amount of money and you split it over a period of time. The goal of this strategy is to accumulate a big position at the lowest possible price. Also, to avoid volatility and FOMO. You do not want to take the full amount of money, dump it all in there one time, and then a couple days later, that stock or that crypto drops down another 10, 20%. You want to invest over time to get the best possible return. So the first thing that you have to do, and step one of this strategy, is to pick your investments. Pick the coins that you want to dollar cost average into. This, in my opinion, is the most important part. Also, when picking your coins, you are also picking your risk levels. If you want to play it extremely safe, you can invest in Bitcoin and Ethereum. So every single week, you are going to be dollar cost averaging into these coins. But if you want to take on a little bit more risk, you can dollar cost average into Cardano, Polkadot, Chainlink, Uniswap, Solana, whatever you want. It all depends on how much risk you are willing to take. Or you can be like, all right, I want the most profits and I'm willing to take the most risk. Then you can invest in meme coins, you can invest in low cap gems, and just start accumulating positions. A lot of low cap gems, a lot of meme coins, their prices are going to drop the most. And in my opinion, they will present a great opportunity to dollar cost average into. But keep in mind, a lot of these low cap gems, meme coins, NFT plays, metaverse plays are not going to be around a year from now or 2 years from now. They're just trends that are hot at the moment. Also, some of these high risk projects are going to survive the bear market. In a year or two from now, they can give you massive, massive returns. I'm talking about 500x to 1000x. But you will definitely have to pick the right one that will survive the bear market. So once you have decided how much risk you are willing to take, you have to decide how many coins you will be investing into. Personally, I like to keep a list anywhere between 5 to 10 different coins that I will be dollar cost averaging into over time. In my opinion, 5 to 10 different coins is the sweet spot. This way you are well diversified and your funds are not spread out everywhere in 100 different wallets, in 100 different coins. Step number 2, you have to set goals and targets for every single coin that you will be dollar cost averaging into. For example, you can set a goal to accumulate 100 Ethereum or 10,000 Cardano or 1,000 BNB. For every single coin that you will be investing into, have a target set. This way you will know exactly what you are working for. One thing that I like to do personally to track my investments is to create a simple spreadsheet. In this spreadsheet, you can track all your coins, you can track the prices you bought into, you can track your targets. all of that stuff. It keeps it very simple and organized. One other thing that I like to do is predict the future and predict how much money each coin is going to make me. For example, if my goal is to make $100,000 with Cardano, my first step will be to accumulate 10,000 Cardano. At $1 a piece, that will give me a $10,000 position in Cardano. And then I will simply sit back and pray every single day that Cardano goes to $10 and I make my magical $100. Obviously, this is not financial advice, and do not invest on hope that a project is going to 10x and you're going to make $100,000. And finally, step number 3, I call this one time and money. You have to decide how much money you're willing to invest and the time frame. Personally, I like to break this down in 2 different categories: long-term and short-term. My short-term strategy is very simple. It is 2 to 4 months of dollar cost averaging into my favorite projects. The long-term strategy is 1 year or more. So you have to decide what time frame works for you. This also depends on a ton of different factors. If we are in a bull run, you might want to consider the short-term strategy. If you believe we have entered a full bear market, then the long-term strategy will definitely work better. Also, you have to decide on how much money you'll be investing. Every single person has a different financial situation, and every single person will be investing a different amount of money. So for this example, let's say in this bull run, we made $10,000 in profit, and we are looking to dollar cost average it back into the market and hopefully make a ton of money down the road. So the $10,000 that we have to invest, we are going to break it down. So every single week, we are going to take $1,000 and invest it into the coins that we are dollar cost averaging into. The $10,000 will last 10 weeks, which is about 2.5 months. But if you want a longer time frame, you can take that $10,000 and then every single week only invest $500. Now, you are going to be investing $500 every single week for 5 months. Also, if you want to add more money, you can add more money. If you want to stretch out the time frame, you can obviously invest less weekly. Again, it all depends on your financial situation and how you believe the market will perform 2 months or 6 months or a year from now. Also, you can break this down however you want. You can invest daily, weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, however you want, whatever works best for you. One other very important thing that I would like to mention, if you are going to dollar cost average into a coin that you can stake, that you can lend, that you can earn interest on, definitely take advantage of that benefit. An extra 5, 10, 15% APY every single year is going to make a huge difference in the long term. Some platforms that I recommend, obviously BlockFi. BlockFi will pay you interest for simply keeping your crypto on the platform. Also, they have a ton of other features such as their credit card and a ton of other ways to earn even more crypto. Every little bit counts when you are trying to accumulate a big bag. Also, you can stake on Atomic Wallet, on the KuCoin Exchange. Link will be in the description box as well. Also on Trust Wallet, on MetaMask. There's literally a ton of different ways to earn interest, to lend, to stake your crypto. So definitely take advantage of the coins that have that feature. All right, everybody, that concludes this video. Let me know in the comment section below, what coins will you be dollar cost averaging into if the market continues to crash? Let me know. And as always, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, check out the links in the description box below for some free crypto, and see you in the next video. Peace out.